Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you like. Today I wanted to go over my freebie savings challenges and get some money stuffed. I mentioned in one of my other videos previously that these haven't gotten any love for a while, so I decided I better pull them out and get them going. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. And I don't have change. I believe I need to get change because this binder is pretty much empty. I hit some, I completed some savings challenges in this binder, and then I ended up doing a sinking funds cash stuffing. So let me just see if I've got some smaller bills here that I can work with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 1, 2. I'm going to go through my bills just so I can make sure I'm doing a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've gone ahead and grabbed some other bills, and so what I'll do is I'll try to mix them in a little bit because we're going to do like we've been doing, which is working well for me, making sure we add in the savings challenge money using the dice and pulling 2 bills. That means there's no IOUs or anything like that. So okay, so sorry about that. Got an interruption, and I think we're going to need 2 dice. So I'm going to roll 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2, because I have 8 savings challenges here. You know what? Let me see, because some of them I haven't started. This one I think I can take out because this one is not even a freebie. That is, it's just one that I made for me for fun. And then I want to leave my New Year's savings challenges in there. And I think what we'll do is we'll remove this one for now, and then once I complete a savings challenge, we will get these other ones back in rotation. Let's see here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we just need 1 dice. Okay, made an executive decision. Works for me. We're gonna roll the dice. Which envelope it lands on, we're gonna get $2. So we have 1, 2 going into 5. 6. That was a terrible roll, but we're going with it. 5, 3, 3, 4. Come on, 4, 5. Number 4 just needs one more dollar. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have $1 left. 4. Is that the one I just said? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, so our first savings challenge is from Lake and Bacon, and it is a freebie that I got from her. I will link her channel down below. However, I did not get anything today. It says New Year, same hot mess. You know, that's debatable. This savings challenge is from the Hopeful Budgeter, and nothing going in there today, so we're going to leave it in there for next time. Our next savings challenge is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. And this one is from Frugality is Life. Alright, so let's see here. How about we color in, what did I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. I wanted to try to finish the New Year's savings challenges before the end of January, but if I don't, that's okay. I'll just keep it going. Next up, we're getting 1, 2, 3 going into our savings challenge from Hot Beauty Budgets, and this one is completed. see here. Oh, I don't want green, I want black. All right, just gonna follow along the lines a little bit. That was my plan there. Okay, so we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 here, and this savings challenge is completed. We will put it with our other completed savings challenges so we can do a cash stuffing for our sinking funds at some point. And so let's go ahead and add in the SilynthiaC budget creation savings challenge. This one is the Life's a Beach. So it was a freebie that we had from our shop. All right, so we've got $2, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 here going into my savings challenge from Build It Big Budgets. And so this one came in a set, which I was really excited about. I did cut it up so I can split it up. So what did I say? 2, 4, 6. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Halfway there already. Halfway there. All right, so we have $3 going into our Wicked Savings Challenge from Suns and Roses. And, oh, we do have a 3. Last time I didn't think we had a 3 because we're getting down to the 5s and 6s. So we're going to need some more action in this savings challenge. So we're adding another $3 here, giving me a total of 10. No, I wish. 5, 10, 11, 12, $13. Oh, shoot, that's funny. All right, so we've gone ahead and completed this savings challenge, cash stuffing, for our freebies. Hopefully I'll be doing freebies a little bit more because I like to see the growth happening and the savings challenges being completed. However, I have been working on some other savings challenges. For instance, my SilynthiaC Budget Creations binder, which is here. This one houses all of my savings challenges from SilynthiaC Budget Creations, as well as I've been working on the Knockout Savings Challenge, which has been a lot of fun. I started my anime savings challenge, which is Save $225 and $2025. I'm so excited for that one. And then also I started my Letterboxd savings challenge. So those will all be linked down below if you want to check them out. But thank you guys so much for coming back and checking on me, seeing what's going on over here. All this saving is keeping me so motivated. I would like to say that it's going to continue how it began in the middle or the beginning of the year. I'm not certain, but as soon as I have funds in my palm, I will decide, am I going to spend or am I going to save? And then we will see how it all works out for me. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.